Question 1. Pause the video at this stage and try solving it on your own. And when you have an answer, come back and check it. So we have this equation, 15 divided by x square minus 4 minus 2 divided by x minus 2 is 1. And we are supposed to find the roots. So let's take the LCM of the denominators. That would be x square minus 4, because x minus 2 when divided with x plus 2 gives x square minus 4. So 15 will just be 15, and this 2 will have to be multiplied with x plus 2. And on the right hand side, we have 1. So 15 minus 2 times x plus 2. When we take this to the right hand side, it becomes x square minus 4. So 15 minus 2x minus 4 is x squared minus 4. Minus 4 and minus 4 cancels. So x squared plus 2x minus 15 is 0. And when we split the middle term, we get x squared plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 is 0. So x plus 5 times x minus 3 is 0. So x is negative 5 or 3. And that's option A. We can see that in this equation, x could not have been plus or minus 2, because that would have made the denominator 0 for this fraction, and that would not be permitted. But since our answers are minus 5 or 3, there's no problem. Question 3. There is a system of equations given, and the question is asking us to find the x coordinate of the solution. So this here is a circle, right? And this here is a line. To find the x coordinate of a solution, we can just substitute the y value from the line into the equation of the circle. So that would be x plus 2 the whole square plus minus 2x plus 4 minus 3 the whole square is 40. So that's x plus 2 the whole square plus minus 2x plus 1 the whole square is 40. So x plus 2 the whole square is x squared plus 4x plus 4. And minus 2x plus 1 the whole square would be 4x squared minus 4x plus 1, and that's 40. Plus 4x and minus 4x cancels. X squared plus 4x squared is 5x squared. 4 plus 1 is 5, and that's 40. So 5x squared is 35. X squared is 7. So x is plus minus root 7. So from the options, the answer is option A. The x coordinate of a solution is root 7. Okay. Question 4. What is one possible solution to the equation above? Okay, so we have, let's just write this. We have x minus 1 the whole squared is 3x minus 5. This is x squared minus 2x plus 1, and that's 3x minus 5. So x squared minus 5x plus 6 is 0. When we split the middle term, we get minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 is 0. So x minus 2 into x minus 3 is 0. So x can be 2 or 3. So 2 or 3 is a possible answer. Okay, let's go to question 5. For what values of the real number a does the quadratic equation given have distinct real roots? Now, we know that when the discriminant is positive, we get distinct real roots for a quadratic equation. When the discriminant is 0, we have identical real roots. And when the discriminant is negative, we have complex roots for the equation. So here we are looking at the first case. This case we are looking at, because we need distinct real roots. So the discriminant is given by b square minus 4ac when the equation is written as ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So from my equation, I can see that my a will be 1, b will be small a, and c will be a minus 1. So b squared minus 4ac should be positive. So a squared minus 4 into 1 into a minus 1 should be positive. A squared minus 4a plus 4 should be positive. Now this I can write a square as a square, 4 I can write as 2 square, and 4a I can write as 2 into 2 into a. So this becomes a squared plus 2 squared minus 2 into 2 into a, which is simply a minus 2 the whole squared. So a minus 2 the whole squared, it's a square, so it's always going to be positive except when a is 2. Because when a is 2, then a minus 2 the whole squared is just 0. But we don't want it to be 0 because if it becomes 0, then we'll get identical roots. So this will include a will have any possible value except 2. And so the answer is option A. What is the solution set for this given equation? Now, if you see this equation, we can write it as 4 to the power x minus 9 times 2 to the power x plus 8 is 0. And I can write 4 to the power x as 2 squared whole to the power x, which is 2 to the power 2x, which can also be written as 2 to the power x the whole squared. So if I write it as 2 to the power x the whole squared minus 9 times 2 to the power x plus 8 is 0. And if I take 2 to the power x as t, then I can say t squared minus 9t plus 8 is 0. Which means that I have converted this equation of mine into a quadratic equation in t. And this I can now solve by splitting the middle term. T squared minus t minus 8t plus 8 is 0. So t minus 1 into t minus 8 is 0. So t is 1 comma 8. Now that's t, but we have to find the value of x. And t is 2 to the power x. So 2 to the power x is 1 comma 8. Now I can write 1 as 2 to the power 0, and I can write 8 as 2 cubed. I need to write them as powers of 2 because on the left hand side I have x, which is a power of 2. So 2 to the power x becomes 2 to the power 0 or 2 cubed. So x becomes 0 or 3. So the possible values of x are 0 or 3, which means it is option B. Notice that 1 comma 8 is option A, and that's kind of challenging you to be careful because 1 comma 8 was the value of t, while what we had to find was the value of x.